Does this happen to your alarm clock? Here's a scenario. Your alarm is set to wake you up at 5:25, but tomorrow you need to get up an hour earlier. You want to get up at 4:25. So you want to set the alarm ahead an hour or back an hour, but you can't go backwards. You have to go all the way around. So I'm going to hold the set button, and I'm not going to let go. So this isn't a flaw in the button, and then press the hours to go around to. Now, of course, I have to go 23 hours. Hey, wait a second. What happened there? I haven't gotten to 4 yet, but the 25 has changed to a 26. Let's go to 24. Well, that means I have to go all the way around on the minutes to get it back to 4:25. Why did that happen? Does your alarm clock do that? I've noticed that this happens on every LED alarm clock I've ever owned, going all the way back to high school. Do they all use the same design? Is it a button thing? Is it a chip thing? I call it the great alarm clock bug. What's the deal?